Meanwhile, there is some good news. Bharat Biotech's Covaxin, the made in India vaccine, is likely to get its delayed approval from the World Health Organization very soon. In fact, sometime this month. Covaxin is likely to get emergency use listing from the World Health Organization by the end of August, according to sources. In May this year, Bharat Biotech had filed an emergency use licensing application before the WHO. The World Health Body had held a meeting as well with Bharat Biotech on June the 23rd. And it looks like a month on, the nod is in sight. Approval is in sight for Covaxin. So for all of you who've had the Covaxin injection here in India, you've been anxious about access to going abroad and foreign visits. Well, this will definitely open those doors. The World Health Organization has so far approved 6 vaccines, including the AstraZeneca vaccine, that's the Covishield, Pfizer, Moderna and Johnson & Johnson vaccines. The approval for Covaxin will come as a huge boost, as it will pave the way for more countries to give authorization for the vaccine as well. So let's just give you a sense of where each vaccine is, the current status. Covishield, which is the AstraZeneca, the Oxford AstraZeneca vaccine, which is manufactured in India by the Serum Institute of India. It's been approved already by the WHO. Covaxin, Bharat Biotech, WHO clearance is awaited, but like we've just broken to you, could happen sometime this month. Sputnik V, not approved by the WHO just yet. Moderna is one of the two American vaccines, has already been approved. Johnson & Johnson has also been approved by the WHO. So that's the current status. Now, the latest Indian Council for Medical Research study reveals that mixing of vaccines works and could produce good results, but it is still in the trial stage. The study comes post detailed research being done after the incidence of mixing was noticed in some states. Here's where things stand. Please don't try and mix vaccines by yourself. It's still very much in the trial stage. Take a look.
Mixing and matching of vaccines work and generate good results. Well, that is the conclusion of a study that has been done by the Indian Council of Medical Research on mixing of vaccines. The study by itself was done by chance when 20 individuals were inadvertently given a mix of Covishield and Covaxin in UP, raising concerns then about the possible adverse side effects. But the Indian Council of Medical Research sensed an opportunity in studying the recipients and conducted the study. Well, here is what the researchers have found. The study was conducted between May and June this year in Uttar Pradesh. The study shows that immunization with combination of an adenovirus vector platform-based vaccine followed by inactivated whole virus vaccine, which is Covishield and Covaxin, was not only safe but gave better immunity against the variant strains of SARS-CoV-2. The study, however, is yet to be peer-reviewed. The ICMR has said such mixed regimens will help to overcome the challenges of shortfall of particular vaccines and remove hesitancy around vaccines in people's mind that could have genesis in programmatic errors, especially in settings where multiple COVID-19 vaccines are being used. But experts advise caution.
I would not jump to the conclusion that this data is enough to switch to interchangeability of vaccines. We still need more data, probably a bigger study with a large number of participants, well-designed. And once findings from that study are available, then only we can take a call.
In India, CMC Vellore has got the permission from the drugs controller to carry out mixing trials of Covaxin and Covishield. Bharat Biotech too, in principle, has got the permission, at least an approval from the subject expert committee, to carry out trials of mixing the nasal vaccine drops and Covaxin. But until there is data available, experts world over say that mixing is something that should not be tried on our own, and we should be sticking to taking, at least in India, 2 doses of one vaccine that we have been doing right from the very beginning. In New Delhi, Sneha Mordani for India Today.
I want to go across to India Today's Milan Sharma for more on this story. Milan, when is there likely to be some kind of official notification on the possibility of vaccines being mixed? The story, the study has thrown up some positive results. Will there be some official clear guidance from the ICMR or from the medical bodies?
Well, Shiv, the mixing of vaccines when the trials are being done has shown some positive results. So definitely the government is also looking at this. Of course, it was serendipity because initially we were not supposed to mix these vaccines. That happened in Uttar Pradesh. There was a case that happened there. But world over as well, AstraZeneca vaccines are being mixed with Pfizer, Moderna vaccines are being mixed with AstraZeneca, and they have also shown good results. The government at this point in India is watching the science behind it, not just here but internationally as well. And this comes at a time when the Delta variant is actually responsible for a lot of other variants in circulation, and the Delta variant is also somewhere evading vaccine-related immunity in a lot of countries such as in the United Kingdom and as well in the US. So it seems to be good news that mixing vaccines is not very dangerous. The trial that was done did not show any side effects or bad effects of mixing vaccines. But certainly, even as the WHO said, more data is required. And that's exactly what a responsible government like the Indian government is doing. Not saying anything till full trials are done and full results or complete results are in front of us on the vaccine mixing.
Milan, thanks very much for getting us clarity on that. It's a question that comes up very, very often. People are constantly asking, can vaccines be mixed? Hopefully, a clear-cut answer very soon on the back of that study, which has thrown up some promising results.